To change the batteries in the wireless 2 gig door contact, we'll want to remove the cover by pressing down on the tab. This can be located at either the top or the bottom of the device, depending on how it was mounted. Pressing will release the tab and separate the base that will remain on the door from the rest of the device. From here, we'll want to use a small flathead screwdriver to pop the batteries out. This device does take 2 small CR2032 batteries, which can be commonly bought at drugstores or purchased online. When putting the batteries back in, we want to ensure that the lettering is facing up to ensure that they're installed correctly. Then we want to reconnect it to the door using the mount. The press tab will go into the slot located here on the top of the device. Start by putting in the bottom and giving a pinch just to ensure that it is tight. This device, should it fall down, has 3 small lines to indicate where the magnet needs to line up with the device to ensure that it's reading correctly.